Hi friends, in this video I am going to show to you how to verify the network settings and how to do the network reset as well. Just if you have any kind of network issue, just type Windows or ncpa.cpl. It is the command it is used to check the LAN connectivity as well as Wi-Fi connectivity. Sometimes you may have faced some kind of network issues with your laptop. Maybe you will get a yellow color exclamatory, or sometimes you will get a cross mark, or sometimes it is showing you are not able to connect to the internet. At that time you need to reset your network. How that will be done, I will show it to you. Just click on your network and open the network and internet settings. There in the last option you find the network reset. If you click here, you have the option to reset it. Just if you click here, automatically it will is asking you, are you sure you want to reset your network settings? Yes. If you click on yes, then automatically your network will be reset. Then mostly the issue will be resolved. Then furtherly, if it is not at all resolved, then maybe there is a chance that would be a hardware issue. You can reach out to the, you can do cross verify whether your machine is having any such kind of hardware issues or not. Okay. Okay guys, thank you.